I'm attorney Steve Boyd. I'm a personal injury lawyer based in Buffalo, and I'd like to have a word with you about the burden of proof. We are civil lawyers, so we're bringing civil cases. Civil cases are different from criminal cases in a couple of ways. In a criminal case, somebody pays a fine or can go to jail, and the burden of proof in those cases is beyond a reasonable doubt. The person has to be convicted with a jury finding that the person committed the crime beyond a reasonable doubt. But in the civil world, the burden is different. The burden of proof is the preponderance of the evidence. Well, there's a $10 word that nobody ever uses. What does it mean? Well, preponderance means more likely than not. In other words, if the case was on Lady Justice's scales and one side tips the scale ever so slightly, that side wins. As the plaintiff's lawyer or the lawyer for the person who's been injured, I always have the burden of proof. But my burden is not beyond a reasonable doubt. It's the preponderance. Tip those scales. Where else do we do this? Well, we do it in presidential elections. The winner of a presidential election doesn't have to get all of the electoral college votes, just the preponderance, just most of them. More likely than not is the standard for a civil case. If you have questions about the burden of proof, call me. I'm Steve Boyd. You can reach me at 716-400-0000 or on the web at steveboyd.com.